We are in 337 Lincoln. Got a huge living space with exposed brick, hi, and really nice open kitchen. Has granite countertops and stainless steel appliances. And then we've got the master suite. Little sitting ledge on a historic block with limestones. This is the door that goes up to the roof. There's a closet and the bathroom with a fancy shower. That is the front entrance. The main bathroom, very nicely done. There's a little linen closet. Oh, that's where the washer dryer goes. Bedroom number 2. And then the third bedroom. And double closets.